Hello friends, my name is Brother Masood. Today we'll discuss about topic software development. Friend, if you are a student and studying computer science in university, or you are planning to give exam related to software or software development, so you will definitely see this topic in the exam. So with respect to exam point of view, this is a very important topic. Secondly, if you are a professional person and working in any organization as a IT professional or as a software engineer, so your concept should be very clear about software development, that what is software development and what does it mean, how to use this concept in the professional and practical life of implementation. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Software development. Friend, first of all we have to understand that what is software. Okay, what is software? Actually, software is a set of instruction to communicate with the computer. That is called as software. For example, you are using computer and you want to print a document. Okay, so for that purpose you you open a Microsoft Word and give instruction, click on the option of print. So friend, what happened actually, an operating system like Windows, Linux, etc., they take the input of user and they communicate with the hardware device, that is printer, and after communication the hardware print the document. So the set of instruction which is based on the Windows or Linux, and that is called as an operating system. So operating system is a type of software. So what is actually a software? Software is a set of instruction so that we can communicate with the computer. That is called as the concept of software. Now what is software development? Friends, software development means developing in general sense, in a very general sense, software development means development of software or production of software. How we can produce, how we can make the software. Nowadays many types of software are there. For example, you want to build a software through which you can get donations from multiple people, so that you can increase the charity for those people who deserve the charity. I'm just giving you an example here. You want to build a web application through which your customer base for your bank will increase. You want to build a mobile application through which customers can do fund transfer, IPFT, donation, etc. So all these types are the example of software. Friends, software development, if we talk about in very specific sense, software development refers to a set of computer science activities dedicated to the process of creating, designing, deploying, and supporting the software. Friend, if you can understand the concept of software, software is a set of instruction to communicate with computer. That is the definition of software. And software development means whatever the concept you have, whatever the idea you have, how you can use it electronically, how you can use it by using the how you can develop it by using the computer. Software development is a set of computer science activities dedicated to the process of creating, designing, deploying, and supporting software. Key steps for software development. Friend, there are many approaches nowadays available for software development. One of the approach is waterfall, one approach is a Scrum, Kanban, extreme programming. So there are nowadays many software development approaches are available, so that we can use any of the approach, whatever is suitable for the development of software, so that we can successfully develop a software. One approach that is called as waterfall approach or traditional approach that is called as waterfall approach. So what is that approach is, first of all we need identification. Need identification means that we have to do some market research, that we have to analyze that what is the response in the market. For example, you want to launch a mobile application through customers can do orders of food. Okay, this is your idea. However, when you do the market research means that you have a meeting with multiple restaurant owners, multiple food chains, and so after meeting with them you realize that already there in market there are some mobile apps already available, so people don't want to go or any other mobile applications, because in the market already mobile applications exist and people are very used to for it. So there are very low chances that people go for any new mobile application. So it will not be a good idea for go for to make any mobile application for any such type already exist in the market. So if you want to go for any new idea, you must need some strong baseline for which any software you want to make, for which people should consider it as a new idea. Then after identification you must go for the requirement analysis. Requirement analysis that means that you have to define the scope baseline, like you have to define the boundaries, like what you want to deliver, what you want to develop. After that means you have to make a scope document. Okay, when we talk about requirement analysis, basically we are referring to a scope document. After scope document, the design will build. Design means functional specification document. It means that all the requirements which defined in the scope document will be converted to the design document. Design document means that how technically those requirements which are defined in the scope document, how will those requirements will convert technically in specifications, like how, what will be the flow, what will be the architecture, and what will be the flow of application. So all these things will define in the functional specification document. Normally it is called as design document. So once the scope document defined, design document finalized, then we will go for the development or implementation. Development, once we talk about it, means that software engineers, software designers, database engineers, QA, application developers, production deployment, so all those team members will involve and do for the development. And once development completes, and after that the testing will complete, and then we will go for production deployment. This will be the procedure. So first of all we have to complete the development, which will be done by the software engineers, software designers, and software development team. After that, once the development complete, then the QA phase or UAT or user acceptance phase will start. That is called as testing phase. Once the testing phase will complete, then the deployment will start. Deploy means deployment on the production. Production deployment made by the production team. Production team is responsible for the deployment on production, and after deployment, the maintenance or support period will start, which will come under the SLA or service level agreement. So friend, I have defined all those factors, all those steps using the waterfall approach or traditional approach. After this is the very basic idea of the as traditional approach or waterfall approach. Nowadays friend, Scrum, Kanban, extreme programming, so many approaches are also available for software development. In the last friend, I just want to explain a few of the types of software. The typical types of software is system software. System software means operating system friend. Software system software means that which are related to operating systems, like for example Windows, Linux, Unix, ES400, all those are the types of system software. When we talk about system software, we are basically referring to operating systems. Then the other type is application software. Application software is a very vast range of softwares, like for example mobile applications, web applications, desktop applications. All those are the types of application software, and it has a very vast range of application software. Nowadays you know that mobile applications are very popular, and mobile apps or mobile application, and many people love to make mobile application nowadays. The other type is programming languages. Programming languages like Java, C++, .NET, PHP, all those are another type of software. This is also a software like .NET framework, PHP, Java, um, all these are the type of software. These are also the types of software. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.